Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting exponential equation. It is 27 power x cube over 81 power 18 equal to 3 power 9x over 9 power 9. We have to find out real solutions only. So I will begin with multiplying both sides by 81 power 18. So this side also 81 power 18. So we can easily cancel these two numbers. What is left? 27 power x cube equal to 3 power 9x times 81 power 18 over 9 power 9. Now I will convert into a common base. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. 81 can be written as 3 power 4. 9 can be written as 3 square. So here I will replace 3 cube. Here I will be writing 3 power 4 and here I will be writing 3 square. So let us write 3 cube whole power x cube. Right hand side it is already with base 3, 9x. Here I will be writing 3 power 4 whole power is 80 and denominator I will be writing 3 square whole power is 9. Now one exponent property which I will use after this step, it is a power b whole power c can be written as a power b times c. So I will multiply these two powers, 3 and x cube. Here I will be multiplying 4 and 18. Here we have to multiply 2 and 9. So let's write 3 power 3x cube. It is 3 times x cube equal to 3 power 9x times 3 power 72. 4 times 18 divided by 3 power 2 times 9, 18. So now this equation is converting into base 3. Now I will write another interesting property of exponent. It is, let me write this equation first. 3 times 3x cube equal to 3 power 9x times 3 power 72 over 3 power 18. Now I will write one interesting property of exponent. It is a power b divided by a power c. We can write a power b minus c. So this property I will apply here. So I can write 3 power 3x cube equal to 3 power 9x times 3 power 72 minus 18. 3 power 3x cube equal to 3 power 9x times 3 power 72 minus 18 is 54. Now I will write another property. It is a power b times a power c. It can be written as a power b plus c. So I will add here in RHS 3 power 9x plus 54 and left hand side is 3 power 3x cube. Now you can see left hand side is having base 3, right hand side is also having base 3. So if a power x equal to a power y, then conclusion is x equal to y. Exponent must be equal. So I will be writing 3x cube equal to 9x plus 54. Now this equation is divisible by 3. So I will divide this equation by 3. Let me write here 3x cube equal to 9x plus 54. Divide both sides with 3. So I will be having x cube equal to 3x plus 18. Now this is one cubic equation. We can solve this equation in 4 different ways. I will solve using algebraic identities method. See, I can see it is 18. So we can write x cube equal to 3x plus 18, we can consider 27 minus 9. So now I can write it is x cube equal to 3x plus 27, I can see it is 3 cube, and 9 if I have to consider here, then it will be 9 as it is. Let me consider all the term to LHS. X cube minus 3 cube, and then I will be writing minus 3x plus 9. Now here I will apply a cube minus b cube formula, and here I will take minus common. So let me write a cube minus b cube formula. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So 9. Then I will write minus common in bracket minus 3 common in bracket x minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can see x minus 3 is common, overall common. So I will take x minus 3 out. Factorization is done. X square plus 3x plus 9 minus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 6. Let's solve using remainder theorem also. So I will be writing our equation as x cube minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. So for remainder theorem, we should be knowing the base solution. So if I will straight away put x is equal to 3, see this equation will become 3 cube is 27, minus 3 times 3 is 9, minus 18. So it is making our equation 0. That means x minus 3 is a factor of this cubic equation, I am writing CE. So I can consider the common x minus 3, how it would be, that is using remainder theorem. So let me write here remainder theorem. I will write the very first part x cube as x square. Okay, now that extra x I will replace with our factor. Done. Now what is extra? X square times x, it is x cube already there. X square times minus 3, so minus 3x square. So counter I need to add, plus 3x square. Remaining terms as it is, minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Same job I will apply for the rest of the terms. So x minus 3, now you can see it is 3 times x I will write, and then I will write the factor x minus 3. Now what is extra? 3x square is there, minus 9x. So plus 9x I have to write. So plus 9x minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. So it is becoming x square x minus 3 plus 3x x minus 3. Then it is 9x minus 3x. So 6x. If I will take 6 common, then it would be in the bracket 6 times x minus 3 equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is common. Once you will take x minus 3 common, it will become in the bracket x square plus 3x plus 6, which is same as what we calculated using algebraic identity method. Now let's solve this equation. X minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 6. So x square plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0, and first equation was x minus 3 equal to 0. These are two equations from where we will get cubic solutions, three solutions. So I will write from first equation. I can write x is equal to 3. Let's solve this quadratic equation. I can write x is equal to minus b. So minus 3 plus minus under the root. B square is 9 minus 4ac. So 24 divided by 2a. So 2. So this is generating complex solution. It is coming out square root of negative number divided by 2. And we know that square root of minus 1 is I, complex number. So I can write solution is minus 3 plus minus I times square root 15 over 2. Solution is rejected as it is complex solution. So we won't accept this solution. So which solution we will accept? It is x is equal to 3. So can we check this x is equal to 3? Let's check. X equal to 3. Okay, LHS will be 27 par 3 par 3 divided by 81 par 18. Okay, this value will be 27 par 3 par 3 tier 1. So 27. Denominator is 3 par 4 and whole par is 18. Now I can write 3 par 3 as 27 base. Power is 27 divided by 3 par 4 times 18. So it would be 72. In numerator it is 3 times 21, 81, and in denominator it is 3 par 72. Difference in the exponent with the same base, we will get our answer 3 par 9 as LHS. Now let us take RHS. 3 par 9 times 3, so 27 divided by 9 par 9. So denominator we can write 3 square, so 3 par 18 it is. Okay, now I will write 3 par 27 minus 18. So this is converting 3 par 9, which is our LHS and RHS, both are same 3 par 9. So x is equal to 3 is true solution. I hope friends this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.